Hi guys, today we are making an eggless vanilla sponge cake. To the sour milk, add in the bicarbonate of soda. Mix this well and then just set this aside. In another bowl, add in the sugar, vanilla essence. Mix this in and add in the oil, followed by the sour milk and bicarb mix. Once all of this is mixed well, add in the self-raising flour as well as the salt and a little bit of baking powder, and just mix until the salt, baking powder and flour are combined or mixed in. Now pour this into a greased pan and bake at 180 degrees for about half an hour or until a skewer comes clean. Decorate as you wish and enjoy.